Hi dolls and gents, your girl is back with a new video and I am showing you how I installed and styled this wig today from Hermosa Hair. I want to thank Hermosa Hair for sponsoring today's video. If you are not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video. Before we get into the install, I am rocking their Water Wave 13x4 HD lace frontal wig. It is 220% density and I styled it today with these two pigtails, like half up, half down, and like two pieces out for like little side bangs. I love the way that this whole look turned out. If you want to get this look for yourself, you know what to do, baby. Definitely stay tuned. And if you're interested in the makeup that I'm rocking in this video, I will leave a card up top for you guys to check out the makeup tutorial. So my wig arrived in this satin bag and it also came with this wig cap, eyelashes, and elastic band. Here's the natural texture of the wig after co-washing the hair, and here is the inside of the cap. It is a 13x4 HD lace frontal. It has 3 wig combs in the front, 1 in the back, and extra lace if you would like to put it up in a bun. Let's go ahead and throw this wig on our head and make sure the middle of the wig is in the center of our head. So I did bleach the knots on this wig, but I did not pluck the hairline, and as you can see, it does have a fuller hairline, so I'm going to go ahead and pluck it. This is what it looks like after I did a bit of plucking to the hairline. Nothing crazy, but to me it looks more natural. So next I'm going to take a pair of scissors and cut in the middle of the lace. Then I'm going to take an eyebrow razor and I'm going to cut around the entire perimeter of the wig and remove all of that excess lace. I do like using this for an extra jagged edge that looks more natural, and I am cutting around the ear tabs with the same scissors that I used to cut the center of the wig. And I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side of the lace.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made.
So now I'm going to go ahead and pull that lace back to make sure that it's away from the forehead. And I'm going to be using my Eben Wonder Lace spray in the black container. And I'm spraying this across my entire hairline. We're going to wait for it to get tacky and then lay the lace down.
I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess.
If you wait until the spray gets tacky, you should be able to just stick it down to your forehead and it should simply stick without any blow dryer or anything. Do not worry about the excess edges because I am going to go in with something else just to make sure that every edge of this lace is laid down. So I am using the Eben Wonder Lace Bond, their holding gel. This is the same like black container, so the Supreme, and I'm putting this underneath the lace, y'all, and I'm waiting for it to get a bit tacky, and then I'm going to press the lace into it, and this is going to allow those edges to look super flawless.
I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking?
Now I'm going to take the hair and pull it all the way back and clip it on both sides to get it out the way, and then I'm going to use my Wonder Lace Bond melting spray from Eben, and this is in the same black container. It is the Supreme, and I'm using this to literally do what it says, melt that lace around my entire hairline.
Thinking then when you kissed your lips. Now I'm kinda glad.
So lastly, I'm going to take my elastic band and tie it around my head, and I'm going to keep it on for like 20-25 minutes, do my makeup. Makeup is done. Look at that lace. If you want a makeup tutorial for this look, I already did a video. I'll leave a card up top for y'all.
Kinda glad you did. 'Cause now you
So at this point, I wasn't sure how I wanted to style the hair, so I'm just playing around with the hair, trying to figure out what I want to do. I knew I didn't want to wear it down because I wanted to do a style today, so I decided to go ahead and do a middle parting. We're going to do like a half up, half down hairstyle, but with pigtails. It's gonna be super cute. So let's do a middle parting. Next, I'm going to take my wax stick and run it across the hair on the parting. And then we are going to take these spritz and spray it on top of that. This is going to get that parting area super flat. I want that area as flat as possible because we're going to be doing 2 pigtails and I want that area to be flat. So let's go ahead and part one side so we can go ahead and work on the pigtails. But first I'm going to take a little piece out for like a little bang in the front, just a small little piece. I'm gonna do one on each side, kind of bride the edge of my eyebrow. I'm gonna twist it to get it out the way. And I'm going to take my wax stick again and run it across the entire hairline on this side. And then I'm going to use my spritz to get that area flat as well. So let's go ahead and hot comb that area so that it's super flat, so that when we put it up in a ponytail, it's going to look really good. So now it's time to put the hair in a ponytail, and it's already sleek, so it's super easy just to put up in a ponytail, y'all. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing on this side. I sped it up a little more just so you could see the overall style, but I'm sure that y'all got it from the first time. So let's speed through this and I'll be back for the final look. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me. So now I'm just gonna fluff the hair up quite a bit. I didn't want to redefine the curls because I already co-washed the hair, so I just wanted to fluff them out. So now it's time to get these 2 pieces in the front together. I'm spraying them with a bit of water and leave-in conditioner. Then I'm going to go in with some mousse, and then we're going to scrunch and also shingle the curls so that we can redefine those curls right there. And I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. The install plus style on this wig is complete. Let me know what you think. So this look came out super cute, y'all. It was very easy to do, but still it looked like I did a lot with my hair, even though I didn't do too much. If you would rock this look, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're interested in checking out this wig from Hermosa Hair, I will leave a link to their website as well as any coupon codes that I have for y'all. Thank you so much for your continued love and support. I really do appreciate it. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. So I just showed y'all how to style your hair. If you want to see how to do this bomb makeup to go with this look, definitely click the box right here and it's going to take you straight to the video.